Hello friends, welcome to the channel Learn English and GK. And in the video, we are going to learn English vocabulary episode 7.1. Oxford vocabulary, Hindi meaning, antonym, synonym, use word in sentences. So let's see today's word are pioneer. It's a noun and verb. Hindi meaning pratham anvekshan. Definition: as a noun, a person who among the first to do something or to study and develop a particular area of knowledge or culture that other people then continue to develop. Within sentence, as a noun, pioneer, she later became pioneer of education for women. Meaning as a verb, to be one of the first people to do, discover or use something new. With the word as a verb in sentence, he pioneered the sale of car insurance through high street shops. Pivotal. Adjective. Hindi meaning kendriya. Definition: extremely important because a particular situation or activity depends on it. Is in sentence: the foreign secretary has played a pivotal role in European affairs. What family? Pivotally. Adverb. Platform. Noun. Hindi meaning munch. Definition: an opportunity to voice your views or initiate action. Is in sentence: the forum will provide a platform for discussion of communication issues. Pleasurable. Adjective. Hindi meaning sukhad. Definition: that you enjoy, pleasing. Within sentence, she had the pleasurable sensation of being swept off her feet. Word family: pleasurably. Adverb. Antonym: disagreeably. Plentiful. Adjective. Hindi meaning prachur. Definition: existing in or yielding great quantities. Abundant. Is a sentence: whole is cheap and plentiful. What family? Plentifully. Adverb. Plentifulness. Noun. Antonym: meagre. Plethora. Noun. Hindi meaning adhikta. Definition: an excess of something. Using sentence: the plethora of choices available is enough to make you wish you were colorblind. Antonym: lack. Poignant. Adjective: marmic. Definition: having a strong effect on your feelings, especially in a way that make you feeling sad. It was the city street children who provided some of the most poignant images. Word family: pregnancy. Noun. Pregnantly. Adverb. Pointed. Adjective: nukila. Hindi meaning nukila. Definition: expressing criticism in a direct and unambiguous way. Using sentence: the report inspired a pointed critic. With family: pointedly. Adverb: pointed is noun. Polish. Adjective. Definition: accomplished and skillful. Using sentence: he was a Polish and charming. Political. Adjective. Hindi meaning rajniti. Definition: of or relating to the state, the government, or the public affairs of a country. Using sentence: a period of political and economic stability. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question or a suggestion, please comment in comment box. And if you like, hit the like button and share the video and subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon.